How to text wrap on the Google Sheets. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can text wrap on your Google Sheets. For that, make sure your Google Sheet is installed and updated to the latest version. For that, you need to go to the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you need to search for Google Sheets, install and update this latest version of Google Sheets, choose the very document that you want to edit. Now when you add some text on any tables, you also mark it here 1 and add some more text. Then you want to wrap the table you just want to wrap the very table. Then how you can do is just go on this very table and select the table that you want to wrap up. After selecting the very tables, you can just tap on this very option, and now you can see that we have already wrapped up the text. Now you can add as much as words, and you can see that how the word is expanded here. So this is how you can wrap in the phone. But if you are using a PC, then you can simply tap on the very insert option, and you can simply tap on the text wrap up option, and it will be expanded and the text will be wrapped up in your Google Sheet. So that's how I can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.